What is up, guys? Just got a pretty big package from Amazon. Dun dun dun! The Alienware AW3420DW Ultrawide Gaming. Gonna unbox it, set it up, slap it on my desk right there, so stay tuned.
Alright.
There she is, in all its glory. I'm gonna figure out how to take it out of this box. Alright, here it is. Finally got these white tabs out the box, those corners. Oh, that was underwhelming.
That's a big monitor.
That's a big monitor right there. Alright.
Go to the arrow and what do you? Yeah? It's under all this shit.
Alright, so we got the stand. And this is the stand, this is the base of the stand. Lovely tower stuff in here.
Nice. What's this?
What does that thing say? Is there a way to prop it up? Alright, so according to these instructions, we have to insert the arm of the stand into the base and tighten this little screw on the bottom to lock them together. So okay, so it doesn't really lock on its own. The tightening of this screw at the bottom is what's gonna hold it together. Okay. Alright. Yeah, that's secure now. Take a look at the stand. This is where the RGB lighting is. Got an Alienware logo on the back. It's like an off-white color. And then the next step, according to the directions, is we take the foam off of the top of the box. The monitor should be there. And we just click the stand in and lift it all out. So the monitor was under all that foam over there. Alright, just lock it in, I guess, huh? It's in all the way?
That's it. It's just popping in.
No, you push the back of it in now, too.
Yeah, it's all flat.
Really? Alright. Looks kind of angled. There she is. We just pulled it out the box after locking the stand in, and now we gotta unwrap it.
No sneak peeks. Hold on. Last one.
I'm just trying to get it. I'm not a bad angle.
What the fuck?
Alright.
You ready?
3, 2, 1.
Wow. That's
Man.
fucking clean.
That curve is aggressive, bro.
Yeah, 34 inches.
No, the curve, it's like
No,
it's like 1900
big
R.
monitor, dude.
Yeah, it's
Big fucking monitor.
damn clean.
Congratulations.
You won. Here's the finished product. Got the monitor installed. Now, before you bash me, I know it's hooked up to my laptop. It's a Blade 15 RTX 2070, so I'm not going to be able to get the best frames on any AAA titles, I don't think, but it works well, you know. I got it set up 120 hertz. You know, let's try and just load up a web page. You see, so nice and smooth. Just for comparison, this is the 240 hertz screen. And then, you know, so 120 hertz. I really feel like you can't see too much of a difference between like 120, 144, and 240. It's really in specific situations when you're playing games, I feel, is where you have to know what to look for and you can see the difference. But otherwise, it looks pretty smooth. I haven't set up any of the LEDs in the back or anything, so that's actually, it's glowing that blue. It's pretty dark though. It's not too strong. yeah, it was a beast compared to that screen. 1534. Thanks for watching. Just got the monitor all set up. Got my backgrounds fixed finally. That was a bitch to get 2 separate wallpapers on each display. Little color code